Let's learn professions in English.
Doctor.
I am a doctor.
Nurse.
I am a nurse.
Veterinarian.
I am a veterinarian.
Dentist.
I am a dentist.
Teacher.
I am a teacher.
Judge.
I am a judge.
Lawyer.
I am a lawyer.
Engineer.
I am an engineer.
Actress.
I am an actress.
Cashier.
I am a cashier.
Farmer.
I am a farmer.
Pilot. I am a pilot. Chef. I am a chef.
Actor. I am an actor. Photographer. I am a photographer. Baker.
I am a baker.
Plumber. I am a plumber. Carpenter. I am a carpenter. Firefighter. I am a firefighter. Waiter. I am a waiter. Driver. I am a driver. Barber. I am a barber. Sailor. I am a sailor. Soldier. I am a soldier.